G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today we're looking at Enter the Spider-Verse expansion for Marvel United. The Big Apple sleeps unprepared for the days of insanity to come as the Green Goblin plots to sow chaos in the streets across the Five Roughs. His is growing terror, bringing panic to the people and rendering ordinary law enforcement helpless, while his henchmen kidnap, extort, and pillage their way across the city. Meanwhile, the Goblin himself gathers the resources to perfect his secret formula and enhance his power to unimaginable heights. But all is not lost. The Spider-Verse has been thrown wide open, and Spider-Man, Ghost Spider, Miles Morales, and Spider-Ham combine forces across the dimensions to face the Green Terror. Only their daring skill can stand between the Goblin and total control of New York. They'll have to guard their secret identities as reporters take to the streets in droves to report on their heroics during the massive crime wave. It's a tight web to walk, with the fate of the city on the line, but if anyone is up to the task, it's the amazing Spider Heroes. Well, thank you very much for listening to the plot outline for Enter the Spider-Verse. If you enjoyed listening to that, please check my other videos. I've got a few other Marvel United unboxings. Plus, if you like the music, check out Gabriel's channel. And until next time, I'll see you later. Okay, bye.